Just put on the end of the buttstock. Have not pinned that in. That's going to be a lot of work. Shaping the back here. This front piece that I cut out for either side is actually part of a cutting block that I got with a set of knives, kitchen knives, and a nice pair of scissors. So we have a test prod that's set to 35 pounds currently. Not too bad. Here's something I put in here. The spring in the back. So this will always return as you spin this into place. It will return so that you can put the string, pull the string latch back onto this. Normally these are double or triple wide, and there'll be a space in between where you would actually put the whole bowstring, and the arrow would go in between these if it had two on the string, thus getting rid of the need for a extra piece of string on the back. Blessings. God is blessed.